eating of probiotic fermented foods, what are the benefits then? So daily consumption of these probiotic fermented foods is important because it provides benefits for your gut health. So the first one is to elevate the gut flora by introducing probiotic bacteria in your gut system. There will be a diverse microbiome. So better to eat probiotic fermented foods like the yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir because um, it contains the live microorganisms. So it can enrich your gut microflora and then lessen the inflammation. It has a simple strategy in the diet and healthy gastrointestinal and immune health system as the effects. So the probiotic fermented foods again has live probiotic bacteria, and then eating these PFFs introduces this good bacteria to your gut, and it will just live temporarily in the gut and interact to the existing gut flora. So the probiotic bacteria can be Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. And having a diverse microbiome in the gut means you have more balanced metabolic activity. There will be an improved digestion and stronger resistance against pathogens. Next is it can lessen the inflammation in your body. So the probiotic fermented foods will just increase the gut microbiota. And then if you have that, it can regulate your immune system. Because of the beneficial microorganisms or the probiotic bacteria, it could produce metabolites in your intestines or your whole gut system, like the short chain fatty acids, which helps maintain the integrity on of the intestinal barrier, and also it can regulate the immune signaling. So as a result, the immune system will just less likely to trigger excessive inflammatory responses. And also by daily consumption of PFFs, it can lower the levels of circulation of inflammatory markers, and it controls immune activity and provides more balanced immune response. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.